How can one create new scopes in Python? In many languages and places, there is a nice practice of creating local scopes by creating a block like this. How can I implement this in Python without getting the unexpected indent error and without using some sort of if true tricks?
Why do you want to create new scopes in Python anyway? The normal reason for doing it in other languages is variable scoping, but that doesn't happen in Python.
In Python, scoping is of three types: global, local, and class. You can create specialized scope dictionaries to parse to exec-eval. In addition, you can use nested scopes, defining a function within another. I found these to be sufficient in all my code. As Douglas Leader said already, the main reason to use it in other languages is variable scoping, and that doesn't really happen in Python. In addition, Python is the most readable language I have ever used. It would go against the grain of readability to do something like if true tricks, which you say you want to avoid. In that case, I think the best bet is to refactor your code into multiple functions, or use a single scope. I think that the available scopes in Python are sufficient to cover every eventuality, so local scoping shouldn't really be necessary.
If you just want to create temp variables and let them be garbage collected right after using them, you can use when you don't want them anymore. If it's just for aesthetics, you could use comments or extra new lines, no extra indentation, though.
Python has exactly two scopes, local and global. Variables that are used in a function are in local scope no matter what indentation level they were created at. Calling a nested function will have the effect that you're looking for. Still, like everyone else, I have to ask you why you want to create a limited scope inside a function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.